Welcome.
Hi, I'm Camille.
I'm Allie.
And I'm Colin.
And I am Danny, and today we'll be your narrators.
Air pollution is a big problem.
Along with mass flooding.
Today with that, we will be informing you along with teaching you new ways to help with air pollution and mass flooding.
Plus other helpful information.
What is air pollution, you might ask? Well, air pollution is carbon dioxide that is released by cars, factories, and anything that uses fossil fuels or natural gas and coal.
Other things that produce harmful gases are small things that been on the earth for millions of years like fire. But these give us very little amount of things that harms like hydrocyanide or carbon monoxide. This is why people consider it a green energy.
Outdoor air pollution has grown 8% over the past 5 years. Because of air pollution, many have died. Also, natural disasters have tripled since the 1980s.
Air pollution can be very harmful to us. Breathing lots of it in is toxic. It can cause burning eyes, lung problems, heart disease, different cancers, and even death, much like the symptoms of smoking. And sadly, air pollution is only rising. So by 2100, the air will be like the top of the air on Mount Everest, 30% less oxygen available by sea level.
Cars can cause air pollution. They also release deadly gases like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide. These gases can make healthy people sick and sick people worse. One of the worst things it can do is make your eyes water and throat feel sore. It can permanently damage your lungs and even cause cancer. That's why we need to reduce air pollution.
How does air pollution affect animals? What happens is that the air pollution and pesticides affect the water when it rains. It is acid rain. It hurts the animals really bad or kills them. The amount of carbon dioxide that is released can suffocate birds because of the thin layer of oxygen that is far up in the sky already.
How does air pollution affect the environment? The air pollution can make acid rain. Other things that could happen include the following. Toxic air pollutions accumulate in the food chain and harm plants and animal species.
Because of the change in climate, animals that lay eggs are laying their eggs too soon. This isn't the only thing that is messed up because of climate change. The animals that migrate too soon.
This leads to messing with the food chain, the melting ice caps, hurts the habitats of penguins, which can hurt the population. The rising sea level will make it hard for seabirds to hunt for fish in the ocean.
What could happen in the future? Does it mean that in the Arctic there will be no ice during the summer? In 25 years. In the distant future, the world will be covered in water, but do not fear, this will not happen for another 20 million years. Do keep this in mind. It is a prediction.
You might ask, is air pollution caused by us? Yes and no. 9 out of 10 climate scientists agree that it is true. But there is also proof that it is the sun's temperature rising that is causing this problem. Air pollution leads to other problems that are not just in the sky. It will leak into the water through climate change. As different pollutions make their way up to the ozone layer, the ozone layer is different gases like carbon monoxide, letting the sun's heat out and in controllably. The gases will line it, letting less and less sun heat out, leading to the world being hotter. Could air pollution be good for people? It can actually be healthier because of the warmth. The flu begins in the winter and kills about 3,300 to 49,000 people each year. It might be actually safer since no one is slipping or falling down on ice. It could make people more money because there will be a clear path through the Arctic without ice caps. Plus, you'll make some money on heating.
Air pollution leads into mass flooding. The heat in the air melts the ice in the glaciers to melt into the sea, along with ice caps on top of mountains, melting into rivers, leading to lakes, towns, and once again to the ocean and low sea lines, cities and towns.
Many towns are going to be flooded by the rising sea. but some more than others. New York, New Orleans, Miami, Virginia, those are the only major towns, many smaller ones too.
Ice caps from the top of mountains melt, running down the sides into rivers, eroding away the sides of the mountains and the rivers, creating landslides, destroying towns and muddying water that people would use as their main source of water.
Some ways to help is as simple as carpooling or riding with others in a bus or other means of transport with others. Walking and riding bikes will also save gas and cause less pollution.
The ocean's water level will rise about 3 feet by 2100 and will contaminate the ocean and threaten wildlife.
One of the easiest ways you can help is donate to Red Cross at redcross.org. Or another way you can help is to volunteer to set up sandbags in towns as floodwater rise.
Otherwise, just plant a tree. Carbon dioxide will be taken in by the leaves, providing much less harmful gas that we all know as oxygen.